Maybe you even lost your job or business. This is what makes MFE Pro so relevant for you. It's recession-proof and can give you the kind of security that a regular job never can. As powerfully as MFE Pro works, it works even faster when the economy sucks. And isn't that what you want? Security, financial security. We all live in a world that you can't count on to do your bidding. Wouldn't it be nice to have an income that you can always count on, no matter what? Imagine saying, no thanks, to buying YouTube stock back in 2006. Right before they became one of the biggest companies in the world. Or selling off your Amazon stock right before COVID happened, and missing out on a fortune in skyrocketing stock. I know what you're thinking. What if this is another internet scam? Guess what? All products have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and the best part is the product is $180 off. Picture no more struggling ever to pay your bills. See something you like in the store, or online, get it, you deserve it, and you can afford it. Wouldn't that feel wonderful?